Good morning, guys. It's your girl Mari Lisa, also known as Chocolate Curls, and this morning I'm here with Miss Lou, and we're gonna take care of my hair. So I want you guys to see the before, and it'll be a big difference in the after because I look crazy right now, but you know, I'm excited. Okay, so this video is not only going to be my experience getting my curl cut, but I'm also going to show you guys my experience at a salon that specializes in natural hair for the first time. I was so excited for this appointment that the only availability was 6:30 a.m. and I took it. I will not wake up that early for absolutely nothing, but for my hair and for this hair appointment, I was willing to do whatever. The first thing that we did was a trim on my hair to get rid of those dead ends, the split ends, the broken hair, all that good stuff. I'm going to say we a lot, but in reality, Lou was the only one doing the work. But, you know, just bear with me. With this part, she was very particular and she grabbed pieces of my hair. So not only did she do sections, but you'll see that she's just grabbing itty bitty pieces and then splitting those pieces into little parts and then stretching my hair out and then clipping my ends. I can clip my ends all day, but I know I will never be as perfect and precise as she is because she's really taking her time to do it and really going throughout each section of my hair, making sure that no hair is really left behind. I do have a video uploaded of how I trim my own hair, but I would say that trim is kind of like a maintenance trim after I have a really nice trim like this one. I can't do a professional trim like she's doing right now, but within the next month or two or so, if I do need to trim, I feel like I can follow up from what she did. So I feel like it's very important to get a professional trim done by someone who really knows what they're doing, and then you can follow up with my videos and kind of do little trims and dust your ends and whatnot. I always thought that I had to have my hair straightened to get a true trim and have an even trim, but in reality, if you really just wear your hair curly and that's how you predominantly wear your hair, then having someone who's professional cut your hair while it is still curly is perfectly fine. I got a total of about 3 trims or cuts during this experience. This is the second one. After she went around my entire head doing the trim or the cut, she went ahead again right now and she kind of evened it out to give me a nice circular fro. This cut here was my pre-curl cut before, styling my hair and doing the real cut. I'm not too sure about how long you guys have been following me or watching my YouTube videos, but this was a very bittersweet moment for me because this is the first time that all of my red hair is gone. You do not see a piece of red hair on my ends, not even a strip, a strand, and I'm just excited for this new journey. And next up is my wash. I don't know about you guys, but there is nothing like having someone else wash your hair. I haven't had someone else wash my hair in over 2 years. So this was my absolute favorite part of this experience. It was super relaxing. She had the steamer going. I just felt like I was at Massage Envy or at a spa or somewhere just getting wined and dined. At this moment, I was in heaven. I probably fell asleep in the chair. I'm sure I did because it was early in the morning. First up, she went ahead and focused only on my ends and shampooed my ends, cleaned those ends really nicely, and removed all of the excess oils, the dirt, the product buildup, and all of that stuff. Something that I learned from this entire experience, the process and everything like that, is it's not so much about the product that you're using, but how you're applying it. This is something that she taught me while I was there, because she's applying this shampoo to my ends and she's really working it through, and she even gets to the point where she's able to finger detangle with just the shampoo. So I mean, if you're really working that water into your hair and working that product into your hair, then I feel like almost anything is possible. And then after shampooing my ends, she rinsed out the shampoo product and allowed my ends to sit in some conditioner water so that they can be moisturized as she cleansed my scalp. I'm not going to tell y'all too much right now about what I learned from Lou while getting my hair done. I'm going to save that for some of my styling videos and my wash day videos, just, to keep you guys wanting some more. But I will go ahead and repeat the order of this washing process. What she did was wash my ends first, then rinse the shampoo off my ends, zip my hair, and let it soak in some conditioner water. She cleansed my scalp, and after cleansing my scalp, she of course rinsed that out, applied a deep conditioner, and then lastly she applied a conditioner. After deep conditioning my hair and allowing that to sit, she went back in with a conditioner, because what I learned is deep conditioners are very penetrating and they can open up the cuticles in your hair. And if you put a conditioner on after that, it allows it to kind of seal and close back up those cuticles. This is what my hair looks like with the conditioner applied. You can see my curls are already popping and flourishing. And this is just conditioner. So this goes back to, it's not always about what product, but how you apply this product. And finally, it's time to style my hair. She's going to go in with the leave-in first, and then whatever styling products you want to choose. It can be a gel, it could be a foam, it could be a custard, whatever you want to use. It's your preference, but you know, that's what we went ahead and did next, styled my hair. I am always preaching to y'all to really get those products to penetrate your hair and continue to rub and do that, you know, scrunching method, smoothing method to your hair. This is how I apply my products myself. She's a bit more professional at it and does it a lot better than I do. But as you can see, a professional is doing what I always tell you to do. Look how she takes her time to apply the products. The same way I tell you guys in your videos, you can't just apply a lump of product all over your hair and just expect it to be curly. You got to really thoroughly put that product into your strands, and this is what your hair will look like if you really take your time to apply that product. Depending on whatever your curl pattern is, it should be more defined if you really apply the product how you should. This is my natural curl pattern, so this is what my hair will look like, or what it's looking like after applying those products correctly. Last but not least, we're going to do my final cut of my hair, but before doing the final cut, my hair has to fully dry so that she can see what my hair looks like in its natural state before doing the final curl cut. And this is what my hair looks like when it is dry. You can see that the back is hanging a lot more. Like I had a shape, but from wearing ponytails and, you know, high puffs and all those stretching things, it'll kind of cause the back portion of my hair to be more stretched than the rest. So this is what mainly had to be cut. That kind of took a lot of my length off, and you know, it kind of hurt my heart, but I really wanted this curl cut, and the shape just makes your hair look 10 times better. The volume is there. It's just hair. It'll definitely grow back, and I am super happy with the finished look. I'm loving my curl cut. I'm loving the fact that my hair is all one solid color now. I'm really in love with this cut. Comment below and let me know what you guys think. Like, share this video, all of that good stuff. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. My next project is going to be growing my hair and doing some curl training, because I want these curls to form naturally. I want my hair to just naturally have these curls, you know, without having to apply too much products, you know, just water. So that's going to be my next up thing, and I'm going to be using some tips that I learned from Lou. So y'all go ahead and stay tuned for those videos. If you aren't already subscribed, go ahead and click that button now. What are you waiting on? To all of my returning subbies, my curl friends, let me know what y'all think. Seriously, like, what are you guys thinking about this new cut?